Mm, look how pretty.
I got this letter it was for a cancellation, but I don't want to cancel it. I already have.
So, Babe went to a job interview, and I'm just sitting here doing laundry. Like a little housewife I am. Anyways, I happened to look out into the distance. And lo and behold, the cows are teasing me. Hold on. I don't know if you're going to be able to see them from here, but they're right there. I feel like my vlogs are just going to turn into me trying to pet the cows that I live by. It's going to happen. Also, look at these clouds. My goodness. It's just amazing. Just got out of the hospital. Apparently I have vertigo. Thanks, Mom and Grandma, for giving me all the great things in life. Anyways, they gave me some medicines. It's very foggy out here, kind of scary.
Show the viewers the fog.
I will in a second. I'm talking about my vertigo.
Okay.
Anyways, so they gave me medicine for the dizziness. She said it could take a couple days to take effect. So, Mom, I won't be at work tomorrow. I'm sorry. Hold on, I'll show you the fog. Anyways, this is the wonderful fog that we're dealing with today. You can't even see the road that... What is that? Like a little highway that goes right there?
That's Highway 35.
Yeah, so... Into Walmart we go.
Just another typical day here in Alabama.